Hi Angie, thank you for agreeing to chat to me today at the start of Global Intergenerational Week. We just thought it would be really lovely to talk to you as one of our really important partners and sort of get a sense of what you do with us at InCommon and why you do it.
So my title is Community Engagement Officer. I've worked for Sutton Housing Society for 3 years, just over 3 years now. And basically 80% of our residents are 55 plus. So they're in independent living, what used to be sheltered schemes. And so my role is to arrange for events for them to participate. We have 12 schemes, 9 of them have communal lounges. So there's 9 schemes where we can hold events. So I arrange the events, we advertise them right across all 12 of our schemes. Initially, we had a meeting with the residents. Our first meeting was with just the residents to sort of sign them up for the project, explain what it was all about, for them to meet Rosie and just explain what it was all about. So they were very, very keen to get involved. What really appealed to me in particular, because I know how hard it is to organise things, was that InCommon facilitate, that you guys do everything. You know, Rosie's brilliant. Everything, you know, you guys reached out to us. We went, yes, we're interested. You know, you reached out to the schools. We didn't have to do anything except show up. It was all really well organised, and that was very appealing, because I know how hard it is organising events and getting all the, you know, everybody's ducks in a row. And it's great for us because we can sit back and kind of enjoy it as well as the residents, you know. So that was really, that for me personally, that was very appealing. And it's been fantastic. Do you know what? I would just, my advice would be just do it, get involved, snatch that opportunity. I mean, we didn't know how it was going to be going forward, but we're always interested in new things and you know, creating those relationships with other agencies. So but it might not have worked out, but I would absolutely say just do it, just have that first conversation. It's hugely beneficial, I think, for the children. Obviously for me it's my residents, but for the children as well, hugely beneficial for them, for their mental health, for the social side of it. It's just immense. So yeah, I mean, my advice would be just make that step, have that first meeting, get involved, and then you'll just see how it runs and how easy it is, and you know, you wouldn't want to say no. I mean, that's another nice thing. It was the same group of children and the same group of residents. So you could see those little relationships building up. You know, they got to know the children's names, the children got to know their names. So you actually had, you know, little kind of like favourites kind of thing. You know, you got the residents that had a little favourite child, and the child had a little favourite resident, you know. So to see that relationship building up over the months was lovely, and I wasn't expecting that, but it was really lovely to see it all unfold.
I know that Rosie, our programme officer, would want me to give you a massive shout out and say thank you so much for all you've done to help the sessions be so brilliant over the last 6 months, and also for talking to us today in Global Intergenerational Week. It's really, really lovely.
Absolutely, I'm more than happy to do it. It's been an amazing journey. I just want it to continue. It's just been really great working with you. It's been so enjoyable and so much fun, and it's been hugely beneficial to our residents. It's hard to put it into words, but they've really thoroughly enjoyed every single session.